March 31st, and today I'm hopefully finishing up this camera prototype. The problem I'm seeing is I can't really get communications from this system to this system and to the camera itself, and I'm not really certain why. As you can see, maybe you can, maybe you can't. Right up in here, this is the TTL to RS-232 converter, and over here you've got 2 pins and a ground, and 3 pins and a ground hooked up. And suppose this device pulls power from the RS-232 link, so that doesn't seem to be working. See, if I'm going to hook my probe from my meter up to that pin right there, and as you can see, if I hook this guy up, let's get on there, okay, and I command the controller to send out some information. You can see that there's some, oh, must have fell off. What the hell, come on. You can kind of see, you saw a few there. If I get on there good, you can see there's data coming out of the system. But when I come over to the other side, and this is currently what I expect, I shouldn't see anything on the scope because there's no power supplied yet. So I'll hook on. Oh, well, now I'm surprised. That shouldn't be happening, but it is. So we've got some spikes. Cool. I'm always glad to be surprised. So I do have good data coming out. I'm a little surprised and confused because I didn't just have that. So, okay, well, that means that I have to have some kind of some kind of screwed up connection between this box and that box, which is a good thing. I'd rather have a screwed up connection than some weird power issue. So I'm going to try and rebuild a cable and see if I can get communications up. 1842 hours, and I've now got the camera hooked back up over here, and I now have my debug cable complete. It now has, let's see if I can get in here, has power, and then next to that is the serial communications, and then right below that is actually Ethernet. So actually inside the box I've got this yellow cable here, which is actually just kind of a pass-through. So just to kind of show that off, I guess we'll come over to the computer, and it's connected and it's clear screen. You can see I'm sending it messages right now. So in theory that's all working. So let's get the camera up. Let's turn the power on, and we got an image that quickly flashed. So I'm not really certain what it's seeing, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's going a little darker and then back. It's like zoomed way in. Alright, let's send the command to camera wide at 255. So that's camera zoom wide moving at 255. So I just sent the command and nothing. Oh, I think I have a capital in there. Nothing. It's not working. What the hell is going on? Let's take a look. Should be. Let's take a look here. Set this out. Get the fuck out of the way. And let's tie on to brown. So we got yellow, brown right there. There's the command, but now it's like it's halved. Like it should be a 12-volt spike And I'm not seeing that now. There's a return signal. Oh, I don't know what that is, but that is not probably good. So, I still don't know why it doesn't work yet. And let's see. Let's just connect the serial cable here. And once again, put a probe on brown. Send commands, and that looks fine. So, I'm not sure what the problem there is. Either I've got something coming back on the ground that might be causing a problem somehow. That's one option. I'm going to have to play around with the wiring till I get it to work properly. So it looks like the converter isn't working right. See, this is what it's supposed to look like. There's some voltage drop, but it's still within what I would call an acceptable range. When the converter is connected to the camera, however, let's see. So hard to tell where it goes. Come on, get in there. Get the fuck in there. Three on top. Okay. That's a pain in the ass. There we go. Okay. So when I got it connected, get the right probe out. Hook on. Okay. There we go. And I send, it just all falls apart. It's just a mess. It's like it's not even, let me change the trigger level. It's not even high enough. It looks like it's trying, but there's just either probably not enough power there or something. I don't know why being connected to the camera causes that to occur, but it's almost like the converter itself just doesn't have enough power. I'm kind of stumped right now. I mean, I've got my cable done. Kinda. I mean, I know what's going on, and I'm getting a signal over there, but it's not high enough, it's not powerful enough for the camera to respond to it. So I'm not really certain where to go from this point. Part of me thinks, well, maybe put a capacitor there to keep some more power around, but I think maybe it's just the converter is just a piece of garbage as it's always been, and it's never going to be any better, and really I should just break down and buy up a Max 232 chip and get it here and pull that stupid piece of crap off and build my own little circuit around it. But as far as I can go today, that's about as far as I can go.